80% of migraines could be cured with proper salt intake. Most of our migraines happen because we are dehydrated, and the changes in pressure in our brain because of our dehydration is going to cause the migraine. So our brain doesn't have any pain receptors in it, but it is covered by a dura, which is like a saran wrap over the brain, which contains a lot of pain receptors. Brain surgery is painless because our brain doesn't have any pain receptors in it, right? But when the dura is getting stretched or contracted, that is going to cause for the pain, the migraine. And what causes that contraction or stretching is the changing in pressure in our brain because of osmotic gradient. So osmotic gradient is how water moves in between a membrane to balance it out. It's balancing the ions, the sugars, and the salt. That balancing equilibrium process is called osmosis, right? So when our brain cells are shrinking and enlarging because of this osmotic gradient, because it's trying to balance out the salt, the little salt that we have, it's going to change the pressure in our brain, and it's going to cause for the migraine. That's why most migraines happen in the morning, right? So I think 80% of migraines could be cured with proper salt intake. I like Baja Gold salt because of how many minerals it has. Other migraines are caused because of hormonal imbalances. So if you were getting migraines during puberty or right before a cycle, it's probably because of a hormonal imbalance. So I would get my blood work done to see which hormones need to be balanced out type shit. Then you have like neck and spine injuries. So going to your doctor, your chiropractor, making sure you're in alignment, because that could be one of the reasons why you're having migraines. Also, mitochondria function is poor. So vitamin B2 is an essential nutrient for our mitochondria to work. Our mitochondria is like the powerhouse of our cells, the battery for our cells, right? So I would suggest 400 milligrams of vitamin B2. Magnesium is also found to stop migraines as well. So I would do like a pretty large dose, like an 800 milligram dose, magnesium threonate or magnesium glycinate. I like threonate because it crosses the blood-brain barrier. Your blood-brain barrier is also a reason that migraines could be happening. When you are dehydrated and this osmotic gradient is happening all the time and it's always fluctuating, that's going to create a permeability in your blood-brain barrier. So that means that toxins are going to be traveling through the blood-brain barrier to your brain, causing for the dura to be, inflamed type shit. So inflammation is going to cause migraines. Dehydration is going to be like 80% of the reason for most migraines, hormonal imbalances, and obviously injuries. So I would get, if you check out all of those things, and if you're taking those supplements, I think you're going to cure most of the migraines.